If you are in e-commerce, one of the biggest pain points is return management and reconciliation. And the reason for this is that you can outsource many things in e-commerce to agencies, but finally for returns, the returns do have to physically come back to you. You have to either account for them by selling them off and also account for cases where you receive fake and missing returns. But today I want to just cover a case which causes a lot of loss to a seller, which many sellers might not even be aware of or not be tracking properly, as we have spoken to many people and seen that this is not built into their reconciliation system in a way which ensures that as per policy it is claimed on time. So the case we're talking about is returns which are marked delivered but are actually not received back by you at your warehouse. And if you're trying to reconcile this without a proper system in place, it will be a very time consuming and a tedious task and repetitive in nature. What I'm going to show you is how this can be done in less than 2 minutes if you have the proper system in place. So in Flipkart, if you go to the returns panel, you can go to the returns and completed tab. This shows you all the orders which as per Flipkart are marked delivered back to you. You can filter the date range for delivery. I usually keep it as the past 1 month and keep this as a rolling window, and this works well for me. Once these orders are shown, you can export this list by pressing the button here, and it gives you a download link for the file. So I'll just download it. Now I've created a system where uh, all I need to do is I go import, and once I've imported, this is my problem orders. This is an order, for example, which as per the system is delivered but not received back by me. So I can go recheck this and file a claim to get a POD from the portal. And in case they are not able to provide that or not able to return my material back, I'll get a reimbursement. Now, just to show you that this is not something which is not a live sheet, you have to have some database of the returns received back to you, which you maintain. Now over here I have that. I'm just going to blank out a couple of these entries, and what you'll see is that this sheet should get updated to show those returns as being not received. So this is not something which is done manually now. All we need to do is update the data, and our system is built in a way that the data gets reconciled automatically. If this is something which you found useful and think you would like to implement in your business as well, then join the WhatsApp community. It's a free WhatsApp community to discuss issues, challenges, strategies in e-commerce, as well as subscribe to the blog as I share a lot of useful information like this in my weekly newsletters. Thank you.